Want to master your light control kung fu? Listen up, Grasshopper, because the MagGrid is your new BFF. You see, Bear's speedlights throw off a pretty wide beam of light, and controlling where that light goes is critical to creating awesome photos. A single MagGrid shapes the light of your Bear flash into a tight 40-degree beam pattern. Geek to human translation? Light goes exactly where you want it, and not everywhere else. Sweet, huh? Because of MagMod's patented universal design, attaching modifiers to your flash has never been easier. Slap on a MagGrid in less than a second to instantly shape and control your flash. Want even more control? MagMod's modular design lets you stack multiple MagGrids on an even tighter beam. And thanks to its simple modularity, you can even stack a MagGrid with a MagGel and a MagSphere to give you more control than you've ever had from a speedlight modifier. Ever shoot in low light? Having just one grid design also means you'll never second guess which one you grabbed out of your bag in a fast-paced or dark environment. Oh, and by the way, the MagGrid's durable silicone construction won't chip, crack, or break like traditional plastic grids. Finally, you can have your cake and eat it too. Want to master flash photography? Join our Facebook group where you'll find us hanging out with a few thousand of your fellow photographers, sharing tips and feedback in a friendly, troll-free forum every single day. So join up and say hi. We want to see how you rock your MagMod. Don't be shy. Thanks to MagMod, you'll work faster, easier, and more efficiently than you ever did before. Fast, easy, awesome.
What you just saw was no trick. That was from a single capture in a single moment in time. Hey Kickstarter, I'm Chris, inventor of Isolite. For nearly 20 years, I've made a living as an artist and photographer. There's been a lot of innovation in the transition from film to digital. Strobes, batteries, LEDs are cheaper and more powerful than they've ever been. Yet we use them much the way we did in the 1950s. What if I told you there was a new way to light your photos? For the first time ever, you can adjust real light after the shutter has snapped. For the past 2.5 years, we've been developing a technology that does just that. To show you what Isolite is all about, I've brought my friend Lolly in. She's a photographer, and she's going to use Isolite for the first time.
So how does it work?
Well, it fits on your light like any other softbox or beauty dish. What makes Isolite unique are these special optical components that encode the light. These are used generally in scientific and medical imaging, but never before in conventional photography. All the information is captured in a single raw file.
How is that even possible?
The Isolite hardware encodes the light into very specific wavelengths, and then we can easily decode it with our software, essentially splitting them into editable layers. Once you've adjusted the light, you edit as you would any other photo. Instead of pushing pixels, you're playing with light.
I could really use something like this.
So now you've seen what Isolite can do and how it works. And now we need your help. Depending on how much you pledge, you could receive some great extras, unique opportunities, and of course, be the first to experiment with Isolite. So please, back our project today, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to check out isolite.photo, where you can play with this unique technology and try it out for yourself.
By using a slow shutter speed and the light source, you can create stunning photographs. This photography style is known as light painting. In order to prepare for a shoot, you will need different accessories that just isn't worth the effort. However, light painting is an art that not many people have the patience to learn and to master. After a lot of trial designs, we've come up with the Magilight, the ultimate all-in-one practical tool, which allows you to master light painting in minutes. Whether you are a professional photographer, light painting artist, or an enthusiast, Magilight has been created to effortlessly fit all your light painting needs in an all-in-one stick. It is extremely easy to create a light paint photography with Magilight. Set your camera in long exposure mode. select the image, and press the shutter. Now, all you need to do is to hold and move Magilight to create stunning photographs. Thanks to the 144 high-quality LED light bulbs, you can adjust the brightness, color temperature, and even RGB values. With the continuous motion setting, you can create the light painting animation without every time choosing the image. The unique blinking mode allows you to produce the flash effects easily. Featuring a titanium body and adjustable tightness, you can easily adjust Magilight to your liking. With the bearing rotator, you can spin it effortlessly and create incredible photos. Magilight is also compatible with universal sliders and stands. The lithium batteries are rechargeable. With only a single charge, it lasts for 8 hours, so you can take it anywhere you want. Now you can simply create stunning photos with Magilight.
Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.